Hi, I'm Chris and I'm a website designer. My hobbies are sometimes reading books and watching movies and series. Nagtatry ako recently ng mga outdoor activities and one of them is free diving. And then one of our friends in-invite kami to this event. So, ayun, tinatry ko siya ngayon. Even before na makita ko yung CO2, because of TikTok, I've seen a lot of videos about free diving and aside from the great shots, sobrang interesting kasi parang ang cool niyang hobby. It's because of my friend's influence. She's from here, I think. Pioneer ata siya. She's Lay. Lay. She told us about CO2 and kung gaano kagaling yung mga coaches dito aside from the great shots. So, feeling ko sobrang magtitiwala ako with this freediving family para sa safety and also, yun nga, great outcome aside from the pictures. To swim confidently underwater kasi aside sa sobrang interesting niya, medyo may fear din po ako sa pag-swim sa ilalim since you don't have that control. So, ayun po, I'm expecting na bukod sa matuto akong lumubog, kasi yun po yung talaga yung concern ko, is pag nasa ilalim ako, I will feel relaxed and makapag-free dive ng maayos. Best overall experience is yung naging confident na ako with my swimming skill. Kasi before I enrolled here, I have a lot of doubts kung kaya ko ba talagang ma-absorb lahat ng tinuturo. So, nung nakita ko kung gaano sila ka-patient magturo sa mga students and since may mga unpredictable weather disturbances or parang, ayun nga, hindi nila kami parang, oh, sorry, ganun lang. They really try to find a way para mabigay pa rin yung best experience sa mga students. So, for me, yung overall best experience ko is na reach nila yung expectations namin na parang pag nag-free dive ka, hindi lang siya basta natutunan mo, parang mafe-feel mo na gusto mo siya ulitin kasi masaya siyang experience. Valuable lesson learned as free diver, be a responsible person. Kasi when I saw the corals, yung mga isda, I remembered a lot of people. Like, especially the turtle po pala. Kasi we have this like, yung Save the Turtles, the plastics. Lalo ko po siyang na-appreciate na maging responsible kasi sobrang konti na lang nila. And then, parang I'm very fortunate na makakita ng ganon. So, lalo lang nag-remind sa akin na be more responsible sa plastics or pag-use ng plastics or just the waste itself. I say it's super worth it. It may look very overwhelming, but if you enroll to a very good community like CO2, they will make you very feel safe sa pag-free dive and kagaya ko na not confident sa unang try, but after the whole lessons, you will feel very satisfied and uulit-ulitin nyo talaga. So, ayun. Thank you.